Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage, Patrick Rusine.
Rimwe turi mu rugo twicaye na madamu ndavuga nti we have to like hari gihe muri mudu nziza pe. Nishimye munezerewe muganira like nabyo bintu biri very sensitive. Akabikubwira. And I don't know how umutwe wanje byanjemo. Avuga ariko umugore wanje ko njya mubona abona ni mwiza cyane. Nanjye wenda sindi mubi ariko nanone like bundi yankundi iki ese ubuzima bwe bwabanje bwameze bute aba ex bese and namubaza byose aransubiza everything namubwanise nose niwe mu ex mu buzima bwawe umva wa muntu wamutaratandukanye kubera ibintu by'ibibazo just twaraburanye wa muntu ubona ko ayinga kumera nkanjye mbese My wife answered me. He said, there's this guy called Michael. So Michael, nta kintu cyadanje twapfuye pe. Michael yari mwiza, ari muremure, ari inzobe, ananutse, ari umuhanga, atanywa inzoga. By the way, yize mu Buhinde. Ariko ntabwo duherukana. Michael is a very different kind of person. Very different to me. Michael ni muremure. Michael ni inzobe. Michael ni muremure. Arananutse. Numuhanga. Ashiramo nakantu yuko yize n'ubuganga. By the way. Ako niko twari duhuje. Yize ubuganga. Cha ariko mu Buhinde bro. Ashirati duherukana. Cyo kiganiro tunakivo birarangira ako ndakagumana bebe narakagumanye like how come ushobora gukunda umuntu uri very different to Michael? Why me? I'm very blessed. Technology. I don't know why inkuru nyibabwiye but nakari gaciyemo tu. No. Ni inkuru ya Rusine tu. So nyiri kubabwira process yo gutwita no kubyara nimwe twagiye kwa muganga actually ntabwo rimwe ni suro hafi ya zose and hari abaganga bitwa the gynecologist niko bavuga gynecologist bro ufuhe tufuhe ubufunga umutwe ntufunge ubukunda umugore wawe cyane ubutamukunda ubukayaringa ubudakayaringa ubuhari ubudahari a gynecologist is very strict and the purpose of him is your wife. Tugerayo baravuga bati murashaka nde turashaka gynecologist baravuga bati so nishyure turishyura n'ibiki byose and everything birarangira and of course ngiye ubwanjye narahagaze imbere y'umu receptionist namubwira ni I want your best gynecologist. I love my wife. Jewe rwose nkeneye wa undi wa mbere. Aratubwira ati mugende mwicare mutegereze mu cyumba like that guy was very busy guy ku buryo ntabwo musangaga muri office ye wasangaga ari hanze and then wowe ugategereza maybe agiye kubyaza umuntu maybe agiye kureba case ariko yaba complete abaganga ukamutegereza like 20 minutes. We waited 30 minutes for a gynecologist. Ewana tutaza wavuye tuyakora tubona ba umutipe yari muremure ari inzobe ari mwiza, ari umuhanga, ananutse. Bro, ngenda mureba nkabona ntago ari n'umuntu w'umunyarwanda, ari umuntu wize mu Buhinde. Ndebye umugore wanjye mbona wagira ngo baraziranye, ariko nkabona ntibaherukana. Shan, ntaramenya nuko bigenze, nyiri no kugesinga bari bahoberanye deja. Oh my god, how are you? Irene. These guys bafite n'ukuntu ijwi ryabo nagore ibintu biboro by'ibibaze by'ibikaraza, like they sound like great guys. Wana iki woni ryaro avuye muri India last summer, ariko you know nda travelinga cyane ubundi ndimo ndakubita PhD. Ntago yavuze gukubita, ibyo ni ibyo bisengezi wacu. Ndimo ndiga PhD iki, amva ni stress nyinshi, ariko wana UN ejo bundi yaramvugishije and I said no. Hey! And then like barganire like 5 minutes. Nicha aho ngana aravuga, and who is this? And when your wife meets an old friend of hers and akabona kamwishimiye and you keep sitting, it's a sign that wabiciye amazi tu. Yes, you guys, umugore wawe nahura n'umuntu like ntabwo ari old friend, ukabona n'umuntu baziranye, like gerageza nawe umuntu umwisanzureho, useke, uganire neza, like uwo muntu afite icyo asobanuye mu buzima bwe, cyangwa like n'uburyo bwiza bwo kugira ngo uwo muntu atanagucisha mijisho. So I was like, nahaguruka nanjye vuba. I said hello, arambwira ati gwabo tipa gushakinga. My name is Michael. Ndavuga nanjye ntwa Rusine. Ati you say what? Rusine. The comedian. I know you. Yeah, yo. Woo! Your husband is very funny. Yo, I used to watch you in India. Man, watumanaga stress mfite ikizamini cyane atumi mu gitondo iki, and you guys have a great talent. Yo, I'm very happy. So, how did you guys meet? Ariko nyine ntago muri kubyumva abantu. Ntago muri kubyumva nk'ukuntu ndi kubyumva. Ndeba ukuntu meze. Ushyire na Michael hano. Umutipe muremure w'inzobe, unanutse, mwiza, umuhanga, utanywa inzoga, wize mu Buhinde badaherukana. And then me. Wapima ntago mwabyumva nk'ukuntu. Oya reka ibyo gusinda tubireke. No, ntago muri kubyumva nk'uko ndi kubyumva man. Ntago mwabyumva. Michael, where are you? Ngwino hano. No, ntabwo ari uyu, but you can see, like muzanye just to compare, you see? At least you can see, of course, you can see the beauty in him and the other side of beauty in me.
Hajya ngendi muremure,
Yego.
ndananutse, uri inzobe, uri umuhanga, uri mwiza.
Wize mu Buhinde.
Bo ntari bi. For the sake. Ubwo wavuze undi, ubwo
none uwo mugore wanjye murarukana. No.
Ntabwo duherukana.
Like Michael rero.
Mbe doctor.
Yes,
Okay, reka mbe doctor.
So we are sitting, me and my wife. Suppose this is my wife.
Okay.
Agatebe gatoya.
Agatebe gato.
Bring a chair.
Nawaze.
No.
Oya. Wineze ibibazo, please. Ngendi kwactinga.
At the end of the day, I'm a husband. Tahondara, you know. Yes, I have to go home. buri wese na kariyeri ye, reka ibyanjye mbikore, ewa nawe akora ibye. Hai, n'ibindi kuvuga ntabwo hari. Babe, it's a joke. It will never happen. We are sitting. This is my wife. Babe, it's okay. It's okay.
Oh, it is you, Irene. Oh my goodness. It's been so long, eh? You know you are the most beautiful ex in Jenny Fitergozo. So you look good. You look good, eh?
And then you remember you have to act like it's okay.
Oh, you look good, eh? So, how is everything? It's been a while, eh? Yo. Huh? So, it's so good to see you. It's been a while. And who is this? Bon, okay. So, Rusine. 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 Oh, the comedian. Oh. Oh, namaze kubona ukora twaturu twabyenda gusetsa. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Bon, jewe ndi docteur. Ndi muremure. Ndananutse. Ndi mwiza, ndi inzobe. Nize ntabwo twaherukana. Bon, reka rero yes, so please, reka banze, yes, please, yestare hano, yestare kuri, yes, yestare.
Baby, it's a joke. No. It's a joke.
Yestare.
I can't do these things on you.
Yes.
That's why we use this.
Yes, reka.
Babe, I will explain.
Urarara hanze, nakundi. Urarara hanze, reka dukora akazi. Nakundi. Abantu barategereje. Urara oya nukuri nta nicyo nagufasha. Ariko kanje ngufashe mu kazi.
Barabwegera ngo barambeshye. Uziko twaguza akazu k'imbwa, dufite imbwa imwe. Ariko gafite ibyumba bibiri. So just kanini. So just in case tugiranye ibibazo. Sindenge mu gipangu ariko none sindaremo.
Wageramo. Yes, okay, tugaruke muri character. Yes, so Irene. Okay, let's imagine Irene is here. Yes.
Don't mention names.
No. Let's imagine. Oh, Irene. No, Irene is here. So tugiye kureba gukora ibizamini kuri Irene. So ikigaragara kino kibi yari asanzwe agifite ariko no ikigaragara aratwite
Michael,
tegereza tugomba gukora.
Reka nkwereke. She's my wife. I know her very well.
Ariko ngomba kumukora ibizamini.
It's okay. Wowe just take blood and this part it's mine. So wowe mbwira ngo ukeneye ibi nibi, I give you the details. Ako kabisa hano wapi. Hano murimo murarengera man.
Ariko oya nuko njyewe kora ni docteur tegerezaho gato. Ni amezi abiri ameze neza. Reka gusa oya ni ahangaha abiri.